Hi everyone, welcome back to Drama Llama, where we explore everything drama, theater, and dance. Today, we're diving into the world of improv. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned performer, improv boosts creativity, builds confidence, and teaches collaboration. Let's break it down with tips and fun games you can try today. First, what is improv? It's all about unscripted performance, making it up as you go along. There's no pressure to be perfect. Instead, focus on creating in the moment, embracing the unknown, and having fun. Improv helps you think on your feet and trust your instincts, which are valuable both on and off the stage. The golden rule of improv? Yes, and always accept your partner's idea, say yes, then build on it by adding your own twist. For example, if your partner says, "Look, there's a dragon in the sky, don't shut it down." Instead say, "Yes, and it's heading straight for us, grab your sword." This keeps the story flowing and encourages creativity. Now let's talk games. Try word at a time story, where you build a story one word at a time. Or play freeze frame, where scenes transform with every shout of freeze. Another favorite is character switch, where you and a partner swap characters mid-scene. It's a great way to practice flexibility and character work. Improv isn't just for comedy. It's about trusting your instincts, taking risks, and collaborating. So grab a friend, try these games, and let your imagination take the lead. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments your favorite improv game, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, say yes and to new adventures.